Hi, my name is Martin and I work in the support and repair team. And today I will explain you how to calibrate an analog sensor head by using our gas warning detector MSC2. Before we get started, I would like to ask you to calibrate our gas sensors in regular intervals. Otherwise, we cannot guarantee an accurate measurement of the sensor head. All the information about the calibration process you can find in our user manual under Technical Data. For the calibration, you will need a calibration gas. Just make sure that the concentration is between 30 and 90% of the measuring range. Also, you will need a flow regulator, a hose and a sensor cap. To perform the calibration, you will need either a STL06MC2 or if you already own a PCE06, then you will need the converter box, our STA06MC2. Because with the integrated display of the device, the calibration of the analog sensors is not possible.
We open the device by loosening all 4 screws and carefully lifting off the cover. Now we need the tool STL06MC2, which has a 3-pin plug with 2 lugs on the side. When plugging it into the analog sensor, it is essential to align the 2 lugs with the side of the green clamp, otherwise the polarity will be reversed. If the connection is successful, the correct gas type is automatically selected. After the warm-up time has elapsed, the measured value of the sensor is displayed and you can start calibrating the sensor. Then we open the Installation and Calibration menu and then the Calibration submenu. There we select the correct sensor. For the 0-point calibration, we now start with the next step. It is important to note that for each sensor it must be individually checked whether a zero gas is required for the 0-point calibration. In our case it is a methane sensor. Since methane in the ambient air can be excluded, we do not need a zero gas. To start the 0-point calibration, we press the enter button once. The current measured value of the sensor is then displayed. Pressing the enter button again starts the calculation of the new 0-point. During this process, we can see an underline running at the bottom of the screen, indicating the calculation mode. After about 10 seconds, the value can be saved by pressing the enter button again. If a zero gas is required for the zero calibration, the gas exposure time must be extended accordingly. For more information, please refer to the sensor user manual. The next step is to enter the test gas concentration. In my case, this is 50% LEL. Make sure that the test gas concentration is between 30 and 90% of the sensor's measuring range. Now the flow regulator can be mounted on the bottle and the sensor cap can be placed on the sensor. The process is almost identical to the zero calibration. As soon as you press the enter button, the current gas value and the sensitivity value of the sensor are displayed. If the sensitivity of the sensor is below 30%, calibration is no longer possible. Now the calculation can be started by pressing the enter button and the flow regulator is opened. The calculation mode is indicated by the underline as before. The gas application time for the sensor can be found in the user manual for the sensor. In my case, this is 2 minutes. After the specified time has elapsed, the new value can be saved with the enter button. Important here, be sure to wait for the full gas application time before saving the value. Do not save too early. After successful calibration, the sensor cap can be removed and the flow regulator can be unscrewed from the gas cylinder and the sensor reading can be checked again. Finally, the device is restored to its original state by closing the lid and tightening the screws.
We hope that we have been able to help you with this video, and for more how-to videos, just visit our YouTube channel.